Hey guys, it's Dale, the options guru here at Think Tank Trading. Hopefully everyone had a great week. As you guys can see, I'm going to jump over here. Callie's in live stream right now. We had an amazing week, guys. I want to show you some breakout plays that we had. So first up on the list was the most recent. We had SOS. So as you can see, a lot of our members killed on this thing. This was 52% earlier today at 416. It's now at 100%. It did hit $7.96 after hours. A lot of these guys had a lot of these. So Helion was a big hit today. We hit over 200% on this one. SOS at 100% here as well. Baidu also hit 250% 2 days ago. Emily called out MJ Leaps, hit 250% at the high. And it's just been a really great week in regards to breakout plays. You see Baidu hit the high of 354% as well for $2,466. This is per contract, so really great plays. If you guys wish to join our Discord, we treat our members in here like family. We try to help you guys the best of our ability. We do 15 hours a day of research to try to give you guys the best possible setups that we possibly can. So GSAT was a really great one earlier in the week. A ton of people had this one as well, guys. We had a entry of $1.03, hit $2.50 after hours. So let's keep that in mind. They're limitless in that regard. Our breakout plays, we had 12 of them posted last week, and 10 of them broke out for over 200%. So if you guys want to get a short list of these and get our watch list, they will be on here every single day. So jumping over to Webull, I want to show you guys a few that I'm watching right now. So we play this ticker often. This is Corsair Gaming, ticker name CRSR. So this one's a very predictable pattern. As you can see, it just hits its resistance lines, comes down to support, resistance, down to support. It trades in a sideways pattern. It did have a little breakout all the way to $50, and it looks like it's currently coming back down to its trendline support level. We're going to dip by this with $45 calls as soon as we can, and we'll be watching this closely tomorrow to see if we can get a Friday sell-off and get a good dip buy on this. The second one is going to be VIH. This is an acquisition company that is doing a reverse merger via SPAC, and this company is in the cryptocurrency field. They do a lot of asset management and crypto trading through their platform. This one had a lot of popularity early on. As you see, it jumped all the way to $20.45. That's currently trading and stair-stepping down and consolidating. So you can see this pattern very clear. This one's probably going to come a little bit lower. We're going to look to grab this down here at these support levels, see if we can have a little more consolidation and play this for a breakout play. So definitely keep that one on high watch for the next few days. The third one I'm going to be watching is NVIDIA. We got news today that the White House is signing an executive order in regards to semiconductor shortages that are across the world and across the United States. So as soon as that news dropped today, you've seen NVIDIA push and break out, and it broke its previous high and all-time high. So this one's gapping up and breaking out as we speak. I think this one has a little more room to go, especially with that momentum. We do have a cross on the RSI. You have a lot of buying volume down here, potential MACD crossover, and I think this one has the potential to hit 620, 625. So we'll have to see how it opens up tomorrow. Hopefully we can get on this at open and make some quick money on this one as well. Just a quick update on Takeda Pharmaceuticals. So this one's no surprise. It's essentially trading exactly like we thought it would. It hasn't really pushed as high as we'd like to yet, but they do have news tomorrow. In December 4th, they did meet primary endpoints in regards to their study. They will be presenting the data tomorrow, so hopefully that we get some good news on this. If you look at the historical chart on this, this stock is essentially near all-time low. It has gone below this at one point, but this was when COVID-19 was at its fullest. So big sell-off a couple times earlier in the year, but historically this trades over $20, and it's only had one other time in the past that it was lower than this. So looking at this pattern and looking at the upcoming catalyst for this, this news has over 15 different drugs in the pipeline. So for this thing to be $17.53 is unreal in regards to their revenue that they're going to be generating over the next few years. So I can easily see this being a $40 plus stock. And if we do get good news in the short term, our 17.5 calls on this are absolutely going to print. I will be watching a large cap as well. So you see Amazon. I know it's hard to believe that Amazon can go higher than it is, since it has hit 35, 52, 25 right here. But as you guys can see with Tesla, with momentum and with great companies, sometimes they do just push higher. So Tesla sat in a consolidation period for almost 3 months, and when it did break this level of its downtrend, it gapped all the way to $900. So jumping back over to Amazon, you can clearly see that it has broke the downtrend and is sitting at support right now. So look for this thing to trade sideways and start gapping and pushing to the upside towards that all-time high at 35.52. Another notable one recently would be Palantir. So looking at Palantir on the daily, this one had the same exact pattern. So it had clear support levels. Here was this run to all-time high. So after its consolidation period, this one did break its downtrend, held its support, and pushed all the way to $45. So hit all-time high. This one looks like it's curling back down a little bit. I can imagine this is going to bounce right here in this area, and we can continue to push forward. This is a great company. I know a lot of great analysts that have PTs north of $50 to $80 on this, so don't expect Palantir Technologies to go anywhere anytime soon. And the last ones I'm going to show you guys is NIO, XPEV, and Li. All right, these are all Chinese automakers in the EV sector. All of them are in a flag pattern, as you can see. We can jump over to each one. They're all near support and have all gone through a solid consolidation period. So looking at its history, this thing's sitting right at support right now. You can see the massive consolidation because of the volatility earlier on in this flag pattern. So if this one could rebound and bounce off this support level right here, this easily has a chance to break out to the upside. It has one major level to break, and we can really short and push towards this 74.49. And jumping over to Li, this is an active call for us, so this one still looks pretty solid. If you look at its history, same thing, guys. Huge consolidation period right here. You look at the volatility all the way from 47.70 all the way down to the 20s. Massive move. Really good consolidation right now. This thing looks like it wants to break out right now. So watch for this thing. If not tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, I expect this thing to push up towards $35. That's my minimum PT for this. We get in on this now for a swing trade with $35 calls. You want to be safe, go with March 19th. If you want to be risky, February 19th could be a short-term catalyst based off of what's going on Monday for the Chinese market. This one actually definitely has a chance to push. And the last one we're going to go over is Jinko Solar. So you guys remember early on, this thing literally went up for a whole entire month. So unprecedented. I remember this entire sector was just on fire. So from 1856, this thing hit a high of $90.20. So since then, it has consolidated nicely. It's found really good support levels right here, and you can see that the volatility is significantly came to the downside, and this looks like it's going to bounce off support and break this downtrend very soon. So considering the Biden administration's in there, and they typically have paybacks and bonuses for companies that go solar, I definitely think these will trend again. But this massive run definitely needed a consolidation period. This isn't a flag pattern. We're going to need some more volume, but my minimum PT on this is $80 within the next 60 days. So definitely keep Jinko Solar on your watch. Just to cover one that we played today, you guys seen that big move with Helion. So we had a lot of our members that were in this. We posted this many times. We went over it on each live. So this thing had really solid support at 1521. As you can see, once it lost its previous support levels here, it's just been trading in a sideways pattern this whole time. Each time it tested its support levels, it was rejected, found its new support levels. So today had big news in regards to their batteries and their longevity in regards to in comparison to Tesla and all these other EV companies. Helion actually has the best battery of all of them and the longest range. So this is major news for this company. Earlier in the year, you guys seen this thing go all the way to $55. So I don't think that this move is over yet. If we can continue to hold our breakout over this downtrend that we've been in for a long time, this one absolutely has the push to go towards 2730. So I will be watching Helion closely. I'm going to jump over to the 1 hour here. So from its breakout, it's holding its break nicely. This is how you know that you're going to have continuation of a breakout. Once it does break its resistance levels, they will accumulate on their new support level. So if this can hold this, we absolutely will start pushing back towards minimum $22.25, if not $25, just within the next few days. So let's see what the news brings. It's already got major news. Let's see if we can get a little more momentum in here and see how far we can go with this. Maybe we can play this play again. But anyway, guys, that's a few things from my watch list. Hopefully everyone had a great week. We want to have another great week next week. So remember to hedge your positions and know that the market is very volatile right now at all-time highs. And we're going to be right here helping you guys every step of the way and helping you in any way that we possibly can. If you guys do like the videos and do find these helpful, please like and subscribe. If you guys do want to join the Think Tank membership, the link is in the description. So would love to see you guys in there, and we'll see you guys at pre-market tomorrow morning. Take it easy.